Hey there guys, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome back to another video. So I'm still in the process of putting my craft area back together. So I'm not gonna have a card making video for you this week, and I apologize for that. But it's not because I'm depressed, it's because I'm trying to rework my area. So I will say that I did a little tiny test video to test out looking like you see my face and see my hands, and everybody that I let watch it said it looks great. So I'm really excited for this. And hopefully the Tuesday video will be using that new format. So instead of that, I'm going to show you a mini haul. One of the great perks of being a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator is you have the ability to earn free product, whether you're earning flex points and redeem those, whether you're hosting parties, you're the hostess, you know, you're getting free hostess rewards, those kinds of things. And I went back and forth on this set when I did my pre-order, and I mentioned it to you guys in the Occasions Catalog haul that I really had my eye on it and I didn't pick it up. So I'm going to show that to you right now. So don't forget that this is the last month of celebration. Celebration ends on March 31st. So that means if you want to get your free gift with purchase, you'll need to get on top of that. And if you're interested in joining Stampin' Up! And getting 2 free stamp sets on top of your starter kit for $99, make sure you get signed up. Don't wait till the 31st. A lot of people wait till the very last minute, and then there can be issues with your application going through, and I want to make sure that if you join that you get those 2 free stamp sets. Those 2 free stamp sets can be any stamp set in the catalog that is current. It's not, you can't get a celebration, but you can get any stamp set that's current, and your starter kit can basically be whatever you want it to be. And the great thing about signing up now is in a couple of months we have the annual catalog pre-order, and you'll get to order before everybody else. So anyway, let's go. So I'm going to pull everything out of the box and get the packing slip and the packing. So if you haven't placed an order, we have new 30th anniversary boxes. This is Stampin' Up's 30th year. So that's really fun and exciting. It looks like I'm missing a part of my order, but that's okay. I picked up the Magical Day bundle. And I got some Melon Mambo because I've been using so much of it that I needed some more. Oh, I like the new label. Really cool. So this has coordinating framelits that were accidentally left out of, oh, they're on back order. That's why, right, BK? Yeah, back order. Ah, pooped. Well, hopefully they'll come soon. So I got the Magical Day stamp set and bundle, and then the coordinating paper. Like I told you, I was just so completely drawn to this stamp set. You guys know I love whimsical, I love whimsy. It's just everything that I had hoped to get in a stamp set, but it was just one of those that I wasn't sure if you guys would enjoy it. But sometimes I buy stamp sets with you guys in mind, and sometimes I buy stamp sets because I like them. So I try to do a little bit of both because I know that I don't really care for a vintagey type vibe, but I do try to include vintage images and cards now and again. So what I like to do is I like to remove everything from the rubber, and it will stick to your case. I don't like to use the stickers because it can make your images stop sticking to your blocks after a while. Then you have to take it off and clean it and blah, 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 blah. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. So let me show you. So there's a little knight. My camera is in a different spot. It's gonna take a minute for me to get used to. Then there's the Majestical Unicorn. I really love the look of this. Like, it makes me want to do like a naughty card that says Majestic AF. I think that would be hilarious. Then you got like a little Merlin or a wizard. You get a little mermaid. You get a little seahorse. and some bubbles to go with the mermaid. You get you are one of a kind sentiment. Hope your day is magical. And then you get this really sassy dragon. So really, really cute. You can see the images there. I just love this unicorn. It's so funny. And I've seen a lot of great samples where people have used the rainbow kit for that. If rainbow carries over, I may go ahead and get it. We'll see. There's just so many great things. And I want everything. So I'm trying to get this open. So speaking of wanting everything, I still have some things left in my D-stash if you guys are interested. And I'm going to film an update. So just let me know if you have questions. Also, let me know down in the comments below if you would be interested in a product-based class using this kit, meaning you would get, or this bundle, you would get the bundle, you would get the designer series paper, you would get the glimmer paper. Of course, it would all be a price, and then of course you get projects. So this is specialty paper. There you go. You can see that it's embossed. And what I love are there's different skin tones and different hair colors. Good on Stampin' Up! For doing that. Oh, this is pretty. Ooh, this got stars. Look at those stars, shiny. And then those clouds are so fun. I wish they had a cloud die and stamp with this. That would have been fun. And then you get the knight and the castle and the dragons. And again, different skin tones on the knights. Really fun. Oh, this is the back of that with the fleur-de-lis. You guys remember when I was making ornaments and I made like 4,000 New Orleans Saints ornaments? I remember. This is Wizards. And again, all different skin tones, and their clothes are shiny. And then that's the back, it's little trees. Here are the unicorns. So if we did a kit, you would get 12 6x6 pieces of this paper. Or if you would prefer, we can do a whole pack of paper for you. It's up to you, just let me know. There's a lot of great neutrals in this set, for sure. Ooh, this is pretty. I like it. It's like water. It's bubbles under the water. So much fun. All right, guys, so that's it. Again, leave me a comment down below letting me know if you would be interested in a kit class. I would get that set up as soon as possible. I still need to announce Camp Elfie. You ever feel so far behind you just feel like you're never going to catch up? I will catch up and we will move forward. So yeah, so thanks so much for joining me, guys. Again, I apologize that I'm not going to have any card making videos for you this week. I didn't realize this was going to become such a huge project, but it has. By getting rid of those desks, I didn't think I had very much stored in them, but obviously I did. So yeah. But thank you guys so much for joining me. I will link this bundle down below. That way you can grab it if you are interested. It looks like the framelits are on back order, but if you order the bundle, they'll ship to you separately and you will get notified of that. So if you do purchase this bundle, make sure you spend at least $50 to get your free celebration item. And there are $50 items and $100 items. And then what else was I going to say? Oh, if you're interested in signing up for Stampin' Up! And you have questions, make sure you reach out to me. You can email or text. If you call, it'll go to voicemail because I don't answer calls because I never know when they're trying to get my number for a phishing scheme or whatever. What else am I going to say? Oh, Paper Pumpkin. Don't forget to sign up by the 10th if you're interested in getting the free gift. Excuse me, I'm excited to do another 10 cards, 1 kit. I'm really enjoying that series. So, okay, I'm done talking. Thank you guys so much. I will see you, if not this weekend, then on Tuesday. Bye for now.